This one I ever got a call from a lady I worked for before. She's got an outside faucet that's not working, and also she's got a problem with hot water flow to the kitchen sink faucet. So I explained to her what's going on over there, and I'll go over there and see if I can help out the lady. Oh, Miss Molly. Miss Molly. Wanna do body bumps? You want kisses? You love kisses, Miss Molly. You love kisses. You want kisses? Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots when I get over. I know it's pretty windy out here today, so I don't know what kind of video I could do outside. It seems awful windy. Look at this shit. He says it leaks outside when you turn it on, not in here. So we'll have to look at it outside. It might be a vacuum breaker or something. I could change that if I had to. See it? You must have it off inside. Don't even work. Oh, it's broken. I have to put a new one in there. Not even working. That's something, huh? I have to put a new one in there. I might head it off. I don't know. I guess we'll find out, won't we? Yeah, it won't even shut off. Alright, we're gonna put a new one in there. Kind of a tough spot to get to. I'm probably just gonna cut it here, pop that off, and put a new street elbow on there. Kind of a tough spot to get to because of this shit here. That's what I want to do. Alright, we're just going to cut this here. Get this out of here and I'll pop that off after. We'll get the new one in there and we'll pop that off. New one's going to be shorter than that, I believe. I'll be able to get a measurement on it though. Lincoln. Hopefully I get that off of there. Screw it. It's so warm in here. I put that in my pocket. I couldn't figure out why it was so warm. Dum dum. We're gonna take the other one apart. take this other one apart. Won't hurt. Makes it easy to solder. It's not, it ain't rocket science. Just makes it a little easier. We'll solder a piece on this in here. You can solder it right in there if you want, or you can put a female. I like this to put the solder right in there. That's what I like to do. I'd rather just solder it right in there like that. So. Going to be here like this, and that. Just to mark it and cut it. Not easy being cheesy. This one's already fluxed. I'll go put a couple of screws in there, and you can solder them inside here. Using it. We'll be able to solder it up on the inside and then put the guts in it. It's nice and secure there. See, I got the thing in the back. Alright, let's see if we can get that in there and solder it up. Alright, hopefully. I have to climb up on this shit to be able to get up there. Oh. Is it gonna go? Look, I got the guts off it outside, so. Can I solder it? Yeah, we'll see why not without burning the place down. Should be able to. Reach in there with my solder. Put a long hook on it, I guess. Reach in there. I got the washer and dryers here kind of in my way. Can I do it? I think so. bizarre. Look at that shit. Only in America. Try that with a Pro Press. You gotta get the flux off it, if not it'll turn a green, right? That's what. Alright, should be able to put the guts in it and turn it on. Maybe it leaks. Oh, guts is frost free. Doesn't hurt to take this out. I've done hundreds of them when I haven't taken them apart, but it don't hurt to take it apart. Two seconds to take it apart. See if we got any leaks. No leaks. Kind of good so you could actually reach in, because look at the washer and dryer here. There you go. The other one was stripped inside. So you don't have to shut it off inside on the winter. You just have to take the hose off.
No, I never leave the hose. I just close inside.
Yeah. Make sure you take the hose off when it starts getting cold out. Okay? I'm gonna go check the faucet next.